What is the India Middle East Europe Economic Corridor? The IMEC, India Middle East Europe Economic Corridor, is a strategic multi-modal connectivity initiative launched through a Memorandum of Understanding during the G20 Summit 2023 in New Delhi. The initiative is a part of the Partnership for Global Infrastructure and Investment launched by the G7 in 2021. IMSC seeks to position itself as a viable alternative to China's Belt and Road Initiative by promoting transparent, sustainable and debt-free infrastructure without compromising national sovereignty. Corridor segments. IMSC has two parts: the Eastern Corridor, India to Gulf, and the Northern Corridor, Gulf to Europe. Objective: to develop an integrated network of ports, railways, roads, sea lines, energy pipelines and digital infrastructure aimed at enhancing trade between India, the Middle East and Europe. Importance for India. IMSC is set to reduce logistics cost by up to 30% and transportation time by 40% compared to Suez Canal maritime route, making Indian export more connectivity. IMSC includes energy pipelines, clean energy infrastructure and undersea cables to enhance trade and energy cooperation. It will attract foreign direct investment into India, particularly in infrastructure, logistics, green energy and digital technologies, helping India access to low-cost renewable energy and transition to a low-carbon economy. Status of IMEC. The project faced a major setback due to the Israel-Hamas conflict in 2023. Geopolitical instability in the Middle East has temporarily slowed momentum. Despite this, diplomatic engagement continues. India and UAE signed an intergovernmental framework agreement in 2024. It focuses on operational cooperation and building a joint logistics platform for IMSC. The India-Middle East-Europe Economic Corridor involves several key ports. In India, these include Mundra, Kandla and Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust, Mumbai. The Middle East segment includes ports in UAE, Fujairah, Jebel Ali, Abu Dhabi and Saudi Arabia, Dammam, Ras Al Khair. The corridor also utilizes Haifa port in Israel, and in Europe it connects to Piraeus in Greece, Messina in Italy and Marseille in France. Key ports in IMSC India: Mundra Port, Gujarat; Kandla Port, Gujarat; Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust, Navi Mumbai. Middle East: Fujairah Port, UAE; Jebel Ali Port, UAE; Abu Dhabi Port, UAE; Dammam Port, Saudi Arabia; Ras Al Khair Port, Saudi Arabia; Israel Haifa Port, Europe; Piraeus Port, Greece; Messina Port, Italy; Marseille Port, France. This is the map of India Middle East Europe Economic Corridor. India, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Jordan, Israel, Italy, France, Germany. East Corridor connecting India to Arabian Gulf. This is India to Arabia. This is East Corridor. And Northern Corridor connecting Europe. This is Northern Corridor. Here Mumbai Port, Jawaharlal Nehru, Jebel Ali, UAE, Al Guwaifa, UAE, Harad, Saudi Arabia. This is train connecting area places: Harad, Saudi Arabia; Riyadh, Al Hadith, Saudi Arabia Port; Haifa, Israel Port; Piraeus, Greece Port. Major port in India: Mundra, Kandla, Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust, Navi Mumbai; Fujairah, Jebel Ali, Abu Dhabi, UAE; Dammam, Ras Al Khair, Saudi Arabia; Haifa Port, Israel; Piraeus Port, Europe in Greece. Then the PYQ is: The India-Middle East-Europe Economic Corridor is an initiative aimed at enhancing connectivity between India, the Middle East, and Europe. Consider the following countries: Iran, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, Israel, Greece, Turkey. How many of the above countries are part of the IMEC? Iran, Saudi Arabia, United Arab, Israel, Greece, not Turkey. So answer is only 4. Saudi Arabia is the key transit hub in the Middle East for the corridor. United Arab Emirates, the UAE, serve as a logistics and trade hub in the corridor. Israel is included IMEC, facilitating connectivity between Middle East and Europe. Greece is European entry point for the IMEC, linking to the Mediterranean. About IMEC objective to enhance trade and connectivity between India, Middle East, and Europe through a network of railways, ports, and shipping routes. Key participants: India, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Greece. Significance: reduce trade cost and transit means. Strengthen economic ties between Asia, Middle East, and Europe. Provide an alternative to traditional trade route. Geopolitical context: IMEC bypass countries like Iran and Turkey due to geopolitical tensions and sanctions. It aligns with India's Look West policy and the Abraham Accords, normalization of relations between Israel and Arab states. Next question is with reference to the India, Middle East, Europe economic corridor. Consider the following statements. It is proposed a multi-modal transportation network that would connect India to Europe via Middle East. This is correct. It has gained support from World Bank to also correct. It will be the longest transportation corridor. It is incorrect. Statement 1 and 2. So the answer is answer 1. Option 1. Statement 1 and 2 are correct. IMEC is proposed multimodal transportation network that would connect India to Europe via the Middle East. It has gained support from the World Bank. Statement 3 is incorrect. The IMEC is still in the early stages of planning and its exact route has not yet been finalized. However, the longest transportation corridor in the world is the Trans-Siberian Railway, which is over 9,200 kilometers long. The IMEC is expected to be shorter than the Trans-Siberian Railway.